Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful weight loss video for you today. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful tea using thyme. And you can use either the fresh thyme leaves or you can use the thyme powder. Thyme possesses diuretic properties. It improves urination and detoxifies the body. Thyme is a great purifying herb for the digestive tract and has been found to destroy certain intestinal hookworms and roundworms and aid in digestion of the rich fatty foods. Thyme is also essential for the urinary tract health and can help prevent infections and keep healthy bacteria in balance. Now, what we're going to be using is 4 cups of our filtered or spring water, and we're going to put that in our pot that is boiling on the stove. The next ingredient is our ginger root. So we're going to be using at least 2 to 3 inches of our ginger root. Next, we're going to take our ginger root and we're going to cut it into pieces and put it inside of our pot of water. Now we're going to take a few sprigs of our freshly washed thyme and cut it up into pieces and put it inside of our pot. Now our next ingredient is our lemon, and we're going to slice our lemon in half. Now, if you have a lime, it's okay to use the lime as well. And what we're going to do is juice our lemons into a side bowl. So get a small little dish and just juice your lemon juice in the bowl. Now what I'm going to do after that is I'm going to take my lemon peel and I'm going to cut that into pieces and also add that into the water. After adding your lemons or your limes to your water, let your pot boil for at least 5 to 10 minutes on a medium to low flame, and then after that, allow it to cool for about 5 minutes. Now it's time to strain our tea. So get a strainer, get your favorite cup, and make sure that your tea has been cooled for at least 5 minutes on the stove before pouring it. Now that our tea is ready, we're going to take our lemon juice that we juiced on the side and we're going to pour it inside of our cup. Next, we're going to take and put in a teaspoon of honey into our drink. And that's it, you guys. This wonderful tea that has so many wonderful benefits for your body. And one of those benefits is weight loss. So drink this tea 20 minutes before your morning meal and make sure you drink it on an empty stomach. This is not a long-term weight loss tea, so you can do it for 7 days on and then come off of it for 7 days and then go back on for 7 days. But just make sure that you do not do it for a long period of time. All right? So thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. And until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.